My name's Tom Van Eaton. I'm with Unilux Incorporated. We are a company based in Saddlebrook, New Jersey, and we're here at AISTech 2025 exhibiting our metals inspection technologies. We have both surface inspection and a trim process edge inspection for metals of all types and different processing lines as well. We enjoy exhibiting here at AISTech.
It's just incredible to be able to share information so freely between companies, and not to get into details that we're not allowed to get into, but just sharing the technical knowledge, because all of us go through so many things that are similar, and you just learn so much.
Yeah.